Hi there, it's Chelle and Clint
Hey guys.
and Gracie Lynn. Because no matter how many times we tell her not to get up here, she won't listen to us.
No.
So guys, just a quick update on this journal. It will be going in the Etsy store today, which is Tuesday the 30th, 11:30. And I'm just going to put it up sometime afternoon on Tuesday, Mountain Time, because we're going to be out. We're going to be working. And I tell you, that girl won't. Maybe she'll play with this on the floor. Come here.
What is it?
Go get it. No, that didn't work. It's just a little thing I'm going to include. Quit chewing on stuff. I know you want Mama, but quit. Behave. Behave. Oop, now Bubba's interested, so she's going to check it out, maybe. So anyways, yeah, sorry guys. It's just been a rough day. It is a Monday, and man, was it a Monday. It was, I have the hardest time. You know, now they have that app that you can just deposit a check over the phone, but my camera on my phone takes too big of pictures, and I can't figure out how to lower it. So if you guys have an iPhone and you know, please talk me through it. Send me a YouTube video or something, because man, so about 3 hours, and then we shipped like 20 packages, and just, it was a Monday, definitely a Monday. Paperwork and everything else. It was, yeah, it was just a Monday. So anyways, this is going up Tuesday. If you're interested in this, I call it a December daily, but you know, you might want to do something else with it. There's not tons in here. I did end up putting charms in all the little eyelets because, you know, you had to have charms. And then I tied on like a little button thing, and just kind of go through this. I am going to put, I think I am going to run out and grab my magnets, and then we'll magnet this one and the other one. Hold on, she's stuck. Hold on, okay. And then I will put some little goodies in here because, you know, just in case you don't have any goodies and you want some. So, little charms here. Plenty of places for pictures, for little things. If you are keeping a December daily this year, make sure she's not blocking me. Such a cute little book. And then I had some envelopes or some tags and stuff in my stash, so I went ahead and added those, as well as some of the new stuff that we've been making, because you can't have a shell journal and not have goodies in there to play with. So that is a secret paper clip spot. And then we have this little paper clip, and you just open it up and there's a little piece in there to journal on. Sorry, there's all kinds of fuzz and stuff. Okay. A little heart, journaling spots. And then here's the other one, and then I put a couple of goodies in there. Like I said, I just want you guys to be able to have some fun things to use. And then I will cut down some of the scraps that I've used and include them as well. I haven't got them cut down yet, but I added this pocket so you can have a tuck spot there, and then a little tuck spot here. Quit! It's that kind of day, guys. What is this? Hold on. Oh, it's from underneath. Okay, and then I'm going to cut up some of these stickers and include two. That way, I think this would be really fun for a child, or, you know, for someone my age, because I've kept one of these, and it was so much fun. I really enjoyed it. And truthfully, I forgot I do have a December daily that I got for last year. I actually got it from Christy over at Burlap and Daily Bread, and I haven't ever put anything in there. So, and then this one, we have this really heavy, it's kind of like a little angel, so I put that one in there. So that's the journal. I will be sending along some stickers and stuff. I wanted to kind of show you what I picked out. I'm going to go ahead and include these, so you can glue these down or whatever you want to do. This is one I made a while ago. And then this is just like a little fabric cluster. You can use it in here or take it out and use it for yourself. I will put some stamps in here. Like I said, some little scraps of papers and stuff. You never know what you're going to need. And then I have all these stickers because sometimes you really want to decorate, but you don't want to put a bunch of bulk. There's another stamp. So I'm going to throw in a bunch of these fun stickers. I tried to make sure that they were all different, but don't hold me to that. And another stamp. And then these are some big old sequins that are little snowflakes. I'm going to include those. And then I have these 4 kind of edges that you could put on there somewhere, maybe in a picture, on that cover, whatever you want to do. And then I am going to toss in this one, which, okay, is another paper clip. And then this one has a little piece of paper in there, so you can journal in there. And it comes apart, so you can write inside the envelope. So all this will be included because, you know, you have to have fun things to play with and to get started. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you're interested in this journal, it will be going up on the Etsy, which is the Ramblin' Crafter on Etsy, sometime tomorrow afternoon, so after 12 o'clock, and we will, sometime afternoon, we're going to be like 300 miles away, so whenever I have signal and it's sometime afternoon, then just keep an eye for that if you're interested in this. So all kinds of goodies, and thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.